Cursor is an amazing IDE for AI coding. Now imagine Cursor running your web app, opening browser, actually looking at the web page, clicking buttons, filling forms, and testing the app. All these things are possible with Cursor browser. In this video, I'll show you how to use it. We will look at different use cases such as agent improving the UI of a web page, debugging, and also agent automatically testing the web app. So if you're interested, please continue watching. I'm now inside Cursor and I have my Next.js app running. This is an app allows you to prepare for interview. So if you're applying for any job, you can pass job description here, click start interview, and then AI will ask you 5 interview questions on different topics. And at the end of the interview, it will give you some feedback about your answers. So how do I actually open the browser? If you open Agent in Cursor, you have this button and you have options of Browser tab and Google Chrome. So let's explore Browser tab first. You can see that I already opened localhost. This is where our app is running. The advantage of this embedded browser is that you can better interact with it inside Cursor. If you click here, select element, then you are able to click on any element on the web page and it will be added to your agent's context. So for example, if we want text area, we can just click on it and you can see that it appeared in the context of our agent. So this is how we can specifically ask agent to do something about specific element on the web page. Before I show you the first use case of how you can use browser inside the agent automatically, I propose to switch to Google Chrome here. I just find it works a bit better with forms. The first use case is we can ask agent to analyze our UI and give us feedback and propose a plan for improving it. So let's do that. Using browser, so I can tag browser inside my agent's context, analyze the UI of the app and propose plan for improving it. You can see that Cursor automatically opened new Chrome window. I just moved Chrome window here and we see that it's automatically added job description, capturing screenshots as well. Now it clicked button. We see that it started the conversation. Agent even started to resizing the browser and capturing the page after resizing. And here is our feedback, which is quite good. So now what we can do, we can just continue in the same chat. We can ask agent to improve the UI according to this plan and reflect on the changes so it can analyze its own changes after it has done the job. The second use case I think is quite useful for debugging, especially if you have any errors. So Cursor agent can access browser console and find any warnings or errors and then fix them. So in order to do that, again, we can tag browser and then ask it to access console and look at any errors there. Are there any errors in browser console? You see that the agent is checking logs. You can click on it and see all the logs here. Good news, there are no errors in the browser console. The console shows only normal development messages, which is fine. Obviously, if there were any errors in browser console, you can ask Cursor agent to fix them or to use web search to find information about those problems and how to fix them, or just explain them to you. Now, the final use case, which is just blowing my mind, is how Cursor agent can automatically test web app. We already saw a part of that when Cursor filled the form, but now let Cursor do full interview and then analyze the result and give us feedback about the whole app. My prompt is run the browser, do the test mock interview, answer all questions and analyze the output of the interview prep. Check everything works correctly and no errors in browser console. Give me feedback about the app. Now let's run this prompt. You see that it added job description for senior front-end developer. It clicked start interview, typed some mock response on the first question. Okay, you can see that the testing is done here. And we have the full interview done by the agent with AI, so just AI chatting with AI. Now we have all this feedback about testing. So job description input, interview flow, AI streaming, question quality, user input, feedback, chat persistent, strength, issue found. So it has some issue with sidebar, overall assessment. In logs, you can see that it captures screenshots, it tried to click new interview button, it checked network requests, so all the API calls, it checked that they were fine. It also checked browser console, that there was no error. So you can see that now you can improve this workflow, and you can ask agent to test specifically things you wanted to test, or you can use cursor rules or agentsmd file to specify different test scenarios, and then use these test scenarios instead of manual testing of your web app. I feel browser is quite underrated and a very, very useful feature. If you find any other ways of how you can use browser efficiently with agent, how you can automate your work and save your time, please let us know in the comments. This was all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.